In small intestine, three juices act on food. First juice is formed in liver, that is called bile juice. It is formed in liver and temporarily stored here in the gallbladder. It comes into small intestine through a common bile duct. From liver arises a hepatic duct that combines with the cystic duct coming from gallbladder, and they form a common bile duct, and this common bile duct opens into duodenum part of intestine. The second juice comes from pancreas, that is called pancreatic juice. Pancreatic duct brings this pancreatic juice into the duodenum, and both of these ducts open through a same opening in the duodenum. Third juice is intestinal juice, that is secreted by intestinal glands present in the walls of small intestine. So three juices act on food in small intestine. Let us discuss the role of each of these one by one. Let us first see the role of bile juice. Bile juice is produced in liver. It has no enzyme in it, no enzyme. But still it is very, very important for the process of digestion because it carries out two important functions. Number one function is that it activates the enzymes that work on food in intestine. All the enzymes that are present in intestinal juice or bile juice, means protein digesting enzymes, that are in inactive form. To activate them, this alkaline medium is required, and bile juice provides alkaline medium to these enzymes. So this bile juice activates the enzymes. Second is that it helps in emulsification of fat. Emulsification means that the large fat globules are broken down into small droplets. This process is called emulsification. So this bile juice emulsifies fat. Emulsification is required because fat molecules are large in size. So the action of enzymes is slow on them. Once they are converted into small droplets, the action of their surface area increases so that the enzyme action becomes rapid. So two important functions are carried out by bile juice: emulsification of fat and activation of enzymes. Now come to the second juice, that is pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice contains protein digesting, fat digesting and carbohydrate digesting enzymes in it. First is pancreatic amylase, that is also known as amylopsin. This pancreatic amylase acts on starch. If you remember, you have studied salivary amylase also, that is secreted in mouth, and it also acts on starch and converts it into maltose. Remaining starch is converted into maltose by pancreatic amylase. Then comes the second hormone, that is called trypsin. It is present in its inactive form called trypsinogen. When one enzyme that is secreted by the walls of intestine called enterokinase, it activates this trypsinogen into active trypsin. It acts on the proteins and peptides and convert them into smaller peptides and amino acids. Third is strepsin. It acts on emulsified fat and convert it into fatty acid and glycerol.